So when you're working around with titles inside of Adobe Premiere Elements, let's say what you want to do is you want to add in custom shapes. In that case, when you're working around with the title right here, that is when you select out the title, you get the adjustment option for the title right here. And over here on the right hand side, you can see that shapes is an option. And here what you can do is you can go around and add in shapes that you like. For example, I can add in this rectangle over here in top, and I can go around add in rectangle over here at the bottom as well, just like this. Let's say I'm going to go around and add in a line over here, just like this, and over here as well. So let me just go around and resize this out so that I get this kind of like a style right here. Then you can go around and add in other shapes as well. Let's say, for example, I add in this circle and this circle over here on the side. And of course, there's rounded rectangle right here as well. So you can go around and add that in according to how you want right here. So let's say I have these shapes right here. So now all of them are white at the moment, but you can select them out and choose a color as you like. So let's say, for example, you can go around and choose a color right here for all of the shapes right here. You can go around, take the selection tool and change around the color of the shapes as you like. Or you can also go to style right here and choose the text style right here, and they are applied onto the shape as you can see right here, just like this. So let's just go around and select out this style right here, this style right here for this shape, and you can go around and select out, let's say, for example, these styles right here as you can see. So whatever text styles is there, you can go around and apply it to the shape as well. So let's just go around over here as well, and then let's say, for example, utilize this or this right here, just like this. And then that is what you have. So these are lines as well, and for the lines as well, you can see that you can go around and apply out the text style as you like right here. So you can go around and select this, or you can go around and select this, and this is the overall result as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and add in title shapes inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.